Hi guys, on today's unoto recipe we'll be making this cowtail pepper soup. In my pressure pot I washed and placed in my cowtail. I'll blend this onions, pepper, ginger and garlic. I'll add in my black pepper, also my seasoning cubes, and then salt. I'll add in more water because this is cowtail and this is pepper soup also, so pepper soup needs water. I'll go ahead and add in my peppersoup spice. So I'm using pressure pot because this is cowtail. It takes time to cook. Cover and bring this to a boil. In a heated pot with oil, I will go in with my diced onions and habanero pepper, scotch bonnet pepper and bell peppers. Stir fry this and then go in with your garlic paste. Okay, so my meat is done already. I'll transfer it from the pressure pot to my normal cooking pot. Mix this together and test for seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and add more peppersoup spice and then Maggi cubes and salt. I added a little bit of water as well, just a little bit of water. Okay, so mix this together and allow to cook. So off camera, I remembered I have corn in the house. I mean, why not if not? So I added my corn and allowed this to boil. So now I'll go ahead and add my scent leaves. Okay, and your pepper soup is ready. It's very much ready. Serve this with rice. You can take it like that also. You can even take this with agidi. As for me, I'm going to eat it like that. Thanks for watching, guys.